Miami is a vacation hotspot for Americans and international travelers. Miami is a cosmopolitan city that will spoil you with the best restaurants, hotels, shopping, cars, nightlife. And let's not forget the girls, some of the most beautiful in the country. Miami is home to the largest cruise ship port, some of the best weather in the country, and no state income tax. Why am I still living in New York City? Today I will be sharing the top 5 things to do on your next trip to this sexy city. Number 5. Visit the Everglades National Park. The Everglades is a unique landscape that you won't find anywhere else on this planet. It is one of the largest subtropical wetlands in the world, but used to be much larger. Today, less than half of the historic Everglades remains. This is one of the best tours to take from Miami if you are a nature lover like myself. It takes about 1 hour to get to the Everglades from South Beach, and you get to see some beautiful sights of Miami while on the way there. The day I went, the weather was awful, and we had to wait inside the tour bus until the thunderstorm cooled off. Luckily, storms don't last too long in Florida. We hopped onto an airboat that was equipped with a hood made for the type of weather we had today. The tour lasts for about 30 minutes or so, and the tour guide will take you to a few locations where you will get to see some of the local wildlife, like these cute little bird species. After that, we headed off to see what we all came here for: alligators. After the airboat tour, you can watch an alligator show, which I found quite interesting and funny.
If you look in the back of his throat, it appears he has little to no throat opening. He has an oversized palatal valve or glottis, which allows him to go underwater, capture food without drowning. He would usually then surface above the water to swallow that food. He likes to make it look dangerous sometimes. He's a bit of a showman. You do realize without me, you'd be a suitcase, right? Let's just follow the script, okay?
Number 4. Spend time at the Bayside Marketplace. While on your way to the market, you will see the Freedom Tower. You can't miss it. We spotted some electric scooters right next to the market, which you can rent with the Uber app. It was fun trying them out, but you have a limited area of where you can go. The marketplace is right across the street from where we found the scooters, and I actually discovered it by accident while driving off course from where I was allowed to go with it. By the way, when you drive off the route outlined on the Uber app, the scooters will shut off automatically, but for some reason mine kept going for a good few minutes until that happened. The Bayside Marketplace is a popular area located in downtown Miami that is a 2-story open-air shopping center. This is also the place where you will end up meeting for many tours, as I did for the Everglades. It's also a great place to enjoy a variety of dining options and spend a day shopping for some cool souvenirs to take back home. Number 3. The murals at the Wynwood Art District. We took a bus to get to the Wynwood Murals and got to see some great views of the city along the way. Open to the public and free of charge, the Wynwood Walls was established in 2009 by the placemaker and visionary Tony Goldman as an outdoor museum of international street art. While walking around, you will see some of the most stunning street art you will most likely ever see in your life. I will give you guys a bit of a tour around the place, so enjoy and let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. After we were done exploring the walls, we worked up an appetite, so we were looking to find a place to eat, and we spotted this cute little red car while searching. I doubt anyone owns it, and it's probably just part of the scene. We found a nice bar to eat at, which had a really nice jungle theme. There are a few games you can play out at the patio. I caught 2 guys playing Jenga, which I haven't played in a very long time.
I don't even touch it. That's already touching.
Number 2. Explore Ocean Drive. It's one of the most popular streets in Miami among tourists. This street has a unique vibe not seen anywhere else in this city. There are many dining options to choose from and stores to do some shopping. Don't forget to check out the marvelous South Beach and the boardwalk, where I spent some of my time biking and kayaking. Come here in the daytime after the beach to hang out, or at night to enjoy some of the best nightlife in Miami. You might even find yourself getting involved in some fun performances, like this one. Number 1. Spend a day at Key West. This is the only place I haven't been to while on my trip to Miami, but people keep telling me it's the best place to visit, so I will definitely spend a day at Key West next time I'm in Miami. Located closer to Cuba than to Miami, Key West is Florida's southernmost subtropical paradise, a unique convergence of history, natural beauty, cultural diversity, and architecture. The gingerbread mansions and houses were home to Ernest Hemingway, Tennessee Williams, Elizabeth Bishop, and Jimmy Buffett, to name a few of the famous people who discovered comfort and inspiration on this island. And yes, they do have plenty of places to throw away your hard-earned money on souvenirs, so don't forget to pick one up before you leave. Something that you might not know is that Key West is not the westernmost key. The Florida Keys extends another 70 miles west to the Dry Tortugas National Park. You can explore the uninhabited islands of the park and Fort Jefferson on a day trip or an overnight camping adventure. The journey via the high-speed ferry takes approximately 2.5 hours in each direction and costs $190 for a full day trip. Key West goes at a nice, slow, relaxing pace and is the perfect getaway from Miami for a day, or you can spend your entire trip here. Now that we are done going over the top 5 things to do out in Miami, let me know what was your favorite thing to do while you were there, and if you are planning your first trip, now you know some of the best things that you can enjoy on your time spent in and around the city. Hope you all enjoyed this one. I'll be seeing you guys on the next adventure.